All right, so we are going to do a Dollar Tree craft for Easter. I have not seen this idea anywhere. It's just something that's in my head. Right, so we're using this Dollar Tree frame, this bunny frame. I'm using this burlap from Michael's, as well as this white nautical rope. It's made out of cotton.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is separate the ears a little bit because you won't be able to get any kind of covering with the ears on top of each other like that. So I'm separating the ears. I'm also going to put the hanger, I might as well, on first. I'm using this decorative nautical rope. It's the brown one that matches the burlap. So I'm using this as the hanger. Hurt my nail there. All right. So you start from the first bar where the ears are, one of the ears are, and you keep going around and around like a taco.
So you repeat this method as you continue to put the burlap around your rabbit frame. And yes, it's as simple as it sounds. You're stuffing your wire frame into that burlap like you would meat in a taco. And the end result is you want ruffles all the way around that frame. It should take you, I don't know, roughly 10 minutes. But you'll be very glad you took the time on this project because it makes a huge impact on your space. Alright, so once you finish wrapping your burlap around your rabbit frame and you have some really nice puffy ruffles, you're going to take that same burlap and wrap it tightly around the ears. If you're having trouble, you can secure it in various spots with your glue gun. But it shouldn't be too bad because you just wrap those ears as tight as you possibly can. And later on, you'll be taking that white nautical rope and wrapping it again so it should make it very secure. But use your judgment. This is not an exact science.
Okay. So this is what we have so far, and I love it. That's what we have so far. Then I'm going to fill it in with white rope. Start up top where the ears are and simply wrap it around. It's going to be a little tight because that's where the ears are. That's where the other material is, but that's good because it'll keep it secure. And just wrap it as tight as you can.
So you're taking that white nautical rope and you're wrapping it around those remaining bars on your rabbit frame. And what keeps it secure is that you are starting from the point of the burlap. So because that burlap is taking up some of your space, it's going to hold that rope into place. So it may be a little hard to explain, but as you see it, I think it'll become a lot clearer to you. The cool thing is you only need one roll of burlap and approximately 2 packets of that white nautical rope. And so that's your project. It's pretty inexpensive and it doesn't take a lot of time to complete, so that's good too. And here you have it. This is our finished product. It looks lovely. You can, however, see those 2 lumps where the rope connected. So what I did was I opened it back up and put some glue on the bottom of the rope as well as the sides and then re-secured it. And so now you can't even tell where I used newer rope. So I hope you enjoyed this simple Easter Dollar Tree Michaels DIY project. As you see, those bunnies really spruce up my space, and I hope you enjoy them too.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.